Generate leads for your business with email marketing. Generate leads for your business with email marketing. The ways mentioned here are email marketing and social media marketing. These methods are widely used today to reach customers and generate more leads and profit, and for good reason they work. It is important for you to have an attractive website to channel traffic to. Without this, traffic generation efforts will lapse on the back end of the process. There are lots of companies that specialize in web design. Before you start creating a website, however, you should know the real purpose of having one. Once you understand the principles of the website, you will be able to create a web design for yourself. A good web design will attract customers and valuable prospects for your business that could increase your potential earnings. This can be accomplished with, among other things, email marketing and social media marketing. Email marketing is a very cost-effective way to increase your customer traffic. This costs little to design and even less to send out. You can use an email client such as MailChimp, Constant Contact or iContact, among others, to send the emails to ensure they arrive at their destination. The main advantage of email marketing is that it reaches the customer immediately after you send it. If you keep sending regular mails to your customers, providing them with useful information, it will increase the probability of them buying your products or services again in the future. This will build trust and a good relationship. These will all help you in knowing the interest of customers on your services. The other method of reaching customers easily and quickly is through social media networking. Nowadays everybody has an account on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter feature articles, and/or other social community sites. You can have any number of likes or followers in them. It can bring a few prospects if not more to help your business going. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.